Okay, I wanted to make you a quick video on how to get everything up and running. So just wake the computer up. You're gonna double click up here on this DRS FAMU, just double click it. It'll open up. Sometimes it opens up blue. If it does, just kill it and open up again. Once you get this C3, I'm gonna hit that twice, double click on that. It's gonna bring up this screen, and then you can just say power on all. When you do that, you'll start to see the screens coming down and all these monitors will start coming on. Okay, there are two monitors at the back end of the room. They're not in sync. So you can just take this remote and go down and turn it on. Get close to them, because if you try to turn them on too far away, you'll turn off the others. The one on the right here sometimes doesn't come on, and that'll be okay. But I'll go ahead and hit those on. You see this one powered up already. This one may or may not sync up. It's been having a little trouble, but if not, that's the only monitor that doesn't sync up. Okay, so now you've got everything on. Let me just take you back over here and show you how you can change displays. So this main computer, well, let me just say, once you've got everything on, you can hit confirm down here. It'll take you to this screen. All right, the main computer here on the console is PC3. And to move these things to any of these other monitors, you'll see here 1, 2, 3, all the way around the room. All you do is you just grab it and drag it wherever you want to go. Right, so generally you'll be using PC3, and then if you just scroll over here by just pushing the left mouse click and then just scrolling it over, you see the other one is laptop. So if you're connecting your laptop, then you would drag that wherever you wanted to. And then if you're going to connect the laptop, you see there's an HDMI cable right here to use. The other issue that we have in this room is the sound. And so the sound doesn't work through the system. I'll try to get that checked out and see if we can get it fixed. But in the meantime, as we did last week, you can simply use the sound that's here in the main computer and play it out of these speakers, because it was a small group. If you look down here on this side, you've got the volume. You can go to settings, just in case it gets changed, because it should be on Crestron if we're working through the system here. But since it's not, you'll just make sure that it's clicked on speakers. And then once that's done, you can just get back out of that and you can control the volume as usual. So hopefully that helps. When you get ready to shut it down, you'll just hit the power here. It'll take you back to that screen, and then you can say proceed to shut down, and everything should go off. You see that the monitors are going off, and also that the screen is going up. And that's important to make sure that everything's off. And you're back here. You don't need to shut the computer down, just leave it on and you're all set.